The Eskimo Nebula, officially designated NGC 2392, is a striking and highly studied planetary nebula located in the constellation Gemini. Its common name, Eskimo Nebula, comes from its appearance in early telescope images, where it resembled a face surrounded by a fur-lined hood similar to the traditional attire of the Inuit people, often referred to as Eskimos. This resemblance gave rise to the nickname. Although the nebula has no actual connection to Earth's Arctic cultures or climates, what we're observing in this nebula is the dramatic and beautiful result of a dying star shedding its outer layers into space. The Eskimo Nebula was discovered by the German-British astronomer William Herschel on January 17, 1787. He was using one of his powerful telescopes to survey the skies when he spotted this peculiar object in Gemini. It later became a part of the new general catalog as NGC 2392 and is also listed as Caldwell 39 in Patrick Moore's Caldwell catalog of deep sky objects suitable for amateur observation. This nebula is located roughly 2,870 light-years from Earth, although it shines with an apparent magnitude of about 10.1. Making it too faint to be seen with the naked eye. It can be observed through moderate to large telescopes. Its celestial coordinates are right, ascension 07h 29 meters, 10.8 seconds, and declination plus 205442, placing it firmly within the boundaries of Gemini. Like other planetary nebulae, the Eskimo Nebula is the result of a dying star, specifically a star that was once similar in mass to our Sun. At the end of its life, the star went through a red giant phase, during which it lost its outer layers in slow, stellar winds. Later, as the core became hot and dense, it emitted ultraviolet radiation that ionized the ejected gas, causing it to glow and form the nebula we see today. This entire process marks the transition of the star into a white dwarf, which is now visible at the nebula's center. This white dwarf is extremely hot, with a temperature estimated between 40,000 to 50,000 Kelvin, and it illuminates the surrounding gas while also driving the strong stellar winds that shape the nebula's structure. The structure of the Eskimo Nebula is one of the most fascinating among planetary nebulae. Its central region, often referred to as the face, is a bright, rounded core filled with intricate patterns of glowing gas and knots. This part is highly ionized and emits strong radiation, particularly in the green-blue part of the spectrum due to doubly ionized oxygen, known as SO3. Surrounding this inner shell is a more diffuse and chaotic halo of gas that forms what looks like a fur hood. This outer shell contains filaments, arcs, and streamers of gas, many of which are shaped by fast-moving stellar winds or possibly a binary star companion, though no companion has yet been confirmed. There is also an even fainter, much larger, shell that envelops the entire nebula, likely formed during the earlier stages of the progenitor star's death as it expelled its outer layers during the asymptotic giant branch AGB phase. Chemically, the Eskimo Nebula is composed mainly of ionized hydrogen, along with notable amounts of oxygen, nitrogen, helium, and carbon. The interplay of these elements gives rise to the nebula's colorful appearance in astrophotography. For example, hydrogen emits a red glow in the H-alpha spectral line, while oxygen contributes the characteristic green-blue color that makes nebulae like this so visually striking. The Eskimo Nebula is not just beautiful, it is also of great scientific value. Studying planetary nebulae, like NGC 2392, allows astronomers to understand the final stages of stellar evolution for low to intermediate mass stars, such as our Sun. The shape and dynamics of the gas in the nebula help scientists learn how stellar winds, magnetic fields, and possibly binary interactions influence the death throes of stars. It also contributes to the broader galactic ecosystem by releasing carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen into space elements essential for the formation of new stars, planets, and eventually, life. The Eskimo Nebula gained worldwide attention in the year 2000 when the Hubble Space Telescope captured a stunning high-resolution image of it. The image revealed intricate details such as gas knots, jets, arcs, and a highly structured core that contradicted earlier assumptions that planetary nebulae were simply spherical. These observations showed the dynamic and turbulent nature of dying stars and challenged previous models by suggesting more complex mechanisms, possibly involving unseen companion stars or magnetic fields. Despite its name, the Eskimo Nebula is just one of many planetary nebulae with anthropomorphic nicknames. Others include the Cat's Eye Nebula NGC 6543, the Saturn Nebula NGC 7,926, and the blinking planetary NGC 6,826. All share the common feature of being the glowing remains of stars, not too different from our Sun, offering a glimpse into what our solar system might look like billions of years from now. So in conclusion, the Eskimo Nebula is one of the most iconic and intriguing planetary nebulae in the Milky Way. Its remarkable structure, Vivid colors and complex dynamics have made it a favorite among both amateur astronomers and professional researchers. As telescopes become more advanced, future observations of NGC 2392 may reveal even more secrets about how stars live and die, turning once ordinary objects into cosmic masterpieces painted across the night sky.